Welcome to Unit 22, Future Skills. This unit is all about preparing you for the exciting yet ever-changing job market of tomorrow. You'll learn about careers with a promising future and the skills you'll need for them. The key competencies: this unit is vital for thinking and solving problems by analysing current and future labour market trends and identifying skills shortages. It promotes managing learning and self by considering personal skills development and informs students about promising career sectors while emphasising cultivating well-being through resilience. Why teach it? The world of work is constantly changing due to technology and global shifts. This unit ensures your students are equipped with foresight and adaptable skills, making their future career choices more relevant and secure. It helps them to manage their learning and self proactively for future employment. Methodology and overview. We'll start with a presentation and discussion to introduce future skills, including a video overview. We'll highlight the 16 career sectors in the Irish economy and explore top skills for 2025 to 2030, such as analytical thinking, resilience, flexibility, and AI big data skills. An interactive exercise will involve you matching your interests with potential future careers. You'll engage in research and presentations on chosen future career fields. A guest speaker session with a professional from a future-oriented field can offer invaluable insights and inspiration. Why pay attention? Understanding future skills and career trends help you make strategic choices about your education and training, ensuring your skills remain relevant and in demand. This unit equips you to pursue careers with a promising future, mostly in areas like AI, biotechnology, biopharmaceuticals, and cybersecurity, and to adapt to technological and societal changes, leading to greater job satisfaction, security, and overall well-being.